Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to upload content to YouTube. So in order to upload content to YouTube, you need to follow these steps. So here, what you have to do is first of all, make sure that the application is completely up to date and log into your YouTube account. Once you're in the home page, at the bottom, at the center, you could see plus icon. But before that, make sure that you are logged into your YouTube studio or that you're logged into a correct account or a channel. And tap on the plus button. It's going to ask you to either take a video or maybe you could add it from your existing photos or gallery. So you could then go ahead and tag or add in or select it from the gallery. And once you've actually done it, so select the file you'd like to upload and tap the next button. So I'm just going to randomly take a video, all right? So let's say this is going to be the short. And once I'm done taking a video, I'm going to pause this and tap on the tick button. After which you could go ahead and add text, edit, all that sort of things. And once you've done it, so tap on the next button. You could go ahead and add in a detail, caption, all sort of things. And in this way, you'll be able to upload content on YouTube. So this way, you could use a mobile device to upload a content on YouTube. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.